beautiful sunny day. Sunny winter day.
Must we use this one?
Also, my races are going on again today. It's Kenilworth, a big race in Kenilworth. So I played a pick six. Let's see how it goes there. There's the ingredients. Looks nice, huh? Let's have a look at the pot. Show the viewers the pot. Yeah, this is a deep soup. Nice deep soup pot. Just putting some oil quickly. Now we put some bay leaves, star anise, some cloves,
Onions, leeks, and spring onion ends.
just using 2 tomatoes.
Not too small.
This is be a bit chunky. It will disappear in the soup, but it gives it a nice, you need some acidity in it. Then we're adding the ginger, the garlic. Now we're adding some crushed garlic and ginger. If you can only smell it, very good. Just added some mixed herbs in here. What are you adding here? The wife just added some mixed herbs. Just the mixed herbs. This one.
Little bit of thyme.
A little bit of thyme. Are you not going to add fresh thyme? He's adding the tomatoes.
Just a little bit spicy. Little.
This is like a porky course mix, a little bit of a seasoning. That we buy it from our local butcher in Ficksburg. So now we're adding the other vegetables. Adding some white pepper. Black pepper, 2 teaspoons black pepper, a teaspoon of white pepper. Okay, now we're going to add the mutton that has been pre-cooked. Not pre-cooked, I say pressure cooked. Put it all the juices and everything in. It's going to cook for like 15 minutes before we can add the potatoes and the carrots. And the cabbage we're going to put in last because that cooks very quick. So in 15 minutes time, we're going to have a look at how it is going. Let me just show you guys, how is it now? You see now it's low heat. And then this is just half a stock cube, just for some taste.
It's Ukuduma still got a length and a half to spare past the 50. Ukuduma electromagnetism very close. I'll leave that to the judge. She's my world has run back in third.
Okay folks, in 15 minutes we'll get back to the soup, stew, whatever y'all call it. Just watching the races quickly.
So which way will it go? Does 6 is the winner just beats number 3 electro.
Okay, just want to check quickly on the soup, stew, how it's doing. It's simmering there slowly.
Let the steam go first then.
Extracting the steam out. And then we're going to add the water inside here and let it simmer. Okay, now we're going to quickly add the potatoes and the carrots. Put it to simmer in there. And then we still got the cabbage and the parsley, that's for later on. And obviously some coriander.
Cabbage is the last 5 minutes.
Yeah, the cabbage is last 5 minutes because it cooks very quick. Even the parsley and the spring onion is more for the garnish. As you can see, bring it in, and we're going to add water now inside and let it simmer.
I think I must add more black pepper.
It's doing its thing there at the moment. The flames are nice. More in the middle. Let me just give you a quick peek. I don't know what temperature it is at the moment. Okay, coming back to the soup, wife just added more water, in fact boiling water, so that it doesn't kill the temperature. As you can see, that's looking very tasty. Yeah, very nice.
He's on the right track. He would have had
Okay, waiting for the races to go again.
Yes, he would have had the choice with Roland Garros as well, but he's sticking with Randolph.
100-meter marker. That was a very good start for all of the grade 3 Lumberman. Absolutely yes. Says come and beat me. Digs even deeper and he's going to win a good race. He beats Paid the Palace, Faith Betrayal and Randall first.
Okay folks, as you can see, it's simmering nicely. We're gonna put the cabbage.
You wanna taste? The carrots are soft. Carrots, we don't want it to. Then the cabbage, we'll cook it like what? 10-15 minutes, and it's done. Ne?
Yeah. Let me see. So now we're gonna just put the cabbage in because we don't want the vegetables to melt away. So we're gonna add the cabbage.
That's washed and cleaned. You want it this size, eh?
Yes, because it's gonna further away. Inside. As you can see, we added the cabbage now. We're just gonna let it steam a bit, and then we'll see how the consistency of the water is, and then we'll add more if we need it. Okay, now I am ready to eat. Yeah. Too nice. Very nice. Nice and hot too, but. Very nice. Okay guys, that's it for the video. Let me go and enjoy my soup. Mutton soup.